Okay, this is the homework help video from Monday night's homework, 12-9 skills practice, volume of prisms, rectangular prisms specifically. Number 1 on your homework has already been done for you, so you could use that as an example. It shows you the two different formulas for volume of a rectangular prism. You've been instructed in class to write the formula for each problem first before you solve it. And you can use calculators, but you need to show your work. So this will be one more example of what I mean by that. So volume of rectangular prism is the area of the base times the height, or length times width times height, same thing. Let's just use the second formula, length times width times height. We have the length, first of all the base, this is a base and this is a base. So the length of the base is 4 feet times the width, which is 2.5, so we'll use 2.5, times the height, which is 4 3/4, and 4 3/4 is 4.75. If you weren't sure how to make that 3/4 into a decimal, remember we want the denominator as 10, 100, or 1,000. So to make it over 100, we would multiply by 25. 4 quarters in a dollar, 3 quarters would be 75. So 75 hundredths, or 0.75. So 4.75. This is the point where you can use a calculator. So if I say you can use a calculator on your homework, it doesn't mean that you don't show any work. You still show this. You still write the formula and set up the problem with the numbers. Then you use the calculator. You'll get 47.5 if you multiply those together. And then you just need to remember the units are feet, but since its volume is feet cubed. Because volume means how many cubes would fit inside that three-dimensional figure. So it's feet cubed, feet times feet times feet. One other thing we can do, that we should do, is we could get a rough estimate just to check our work. We'll use 4. For 2.5, I'll round that up to 3. And for 4 3/4, I'll round that up to 5. So if I did 3 times 4 times 5, I get 12 times 5, which equals 60, which is in the ballpark of what we got. It's a little bit more, but that's because we rounded both of these up. But at least we know our answer looks like it's in the same ballpark as our estimate, so it should be good. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework. See you in the morning.